So you want to make money with affiliate marketing, right? You've been hearing about all these different ways to make money with affiliate marketing, all these different sites. And one site that you keep on hearing about is Amazon. Being an Amazon affiliate, you see all kinds of ads on YouTube, Facebook. You probably watch videos and this and that. So you're like, yo, you know what I mean? I shop on Amazon. Like maybe I can make some real money from Amazon. All right. So here's the question. Is Amazon becoming an Amazon affiliate? Is it even worth it? Because I'm sure if you do enough digging, you're going to hear people talk about Amazon cool, but their commissions are trash, right? So as somebody who's been making money from Amazon as an Amazon affiliate for over, at least 6 years, right? I'm gonna give you my thoughts on it. All right. So Amazon, the Amazon affiliate program, or being an Amazon affiliate, is a cool place to start. Why? Because it's easy to share things on Amazon, because everybody know about Amazon, right? Like you probably shopped on Amazon 10 minutes ago. So Amazon is very, very, worldwide. Everybody knows about it. So whenever you promote something and you send somebody to an Amazon product, they feel very secure, very confident in knowing that, oh, this is Amazon. Okay, I can purchase from here. There's no doubt about it. So it's very, very easy to promote. So when you're new, it's like just getting into the game. You can easily, promote a whatever and just send people to, your Amazon link. Now, here's the problem. Yeah, it's great. It's easy to promote Amazon links. But you as a marketer, like how much money are you making, right? So a few years ago, Amazon was at like 4 to 8% commissions on different things, right? And some people was complaining off of that. And I think some people could get up to 10 to 12%, I believe. But the last couple years, from my knowledge and from what I've seen, like Amazon actually lowered their commissions. So even on my account, I'm getting like a 2 to 4% commission rate. And that's trash. I don't care. That's trash. It just is, right? 2 to 4%. So is it worth it? Well, it depends. If you are promoting like low ticket things, honestly, it's not worth it. Now, it's cool just to be an Amazon affiliate and just throw out links from here, every once in a while. But you should have another platform, another product that you promote, you know what I'm saying, with higher commissions. I wouldn't base everything off of Amazon. Like, yo, I'm an Amazon affiliate. Now I know there's a lot of gurus out there and they tell you like, oh, this is how to make, $20,000 a month being an Amazon affiliate, blah, 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 blah. And maybe they doing that. I don't know. The only way you'll be able to really, really make okay money is if everything you promote on Amazon is high ticket. I'm talking, you're selling workout equipment, you're selling electronics, you're selling things that are in the thousands of dollars, honestly, and you're actually, making 20 sales a month. And I just think that's hard to do, but it depends on what niche you're in. If all you talk about is expensive stuff, like even camera equipment, a lot of YouTubers, they do video camera equipment reviews. You can do workout equipment reviews. And yeah, you could get, maybe $80 commissions here, $100 commissions there, blah, blah, blah. But to me, it's just, it's a lot. You know what I'm saying? Just because the commissions are just so little versus the effort you really got to put in to start generating money. One thing with me, like I have a fitness channel and I always get paid through Amazon, right? Always. But like some of my commissions are $1, $2, right? Just because a lot of stuff I talk about is like not necessarily fitness equipment, but I talk about like wrist straps and weight loss gloves. I said weight loss gloves, weightlifting gloves and resistance bands and, things like that, which is cool, right? Money is money, but, that's not the only thing I promote. No, that I'm not basing my affiliate marketing off of Amazon. Right now, side note, there is one little, I don't know the right word to say, but when you send somebody, so say you're promoting a low ticket item. Just say, for example, you're promoting something that's $50, right? You get like a 4% commission. You might only get like, I don't know, $1 or $2, every time somebody buys that item. But the one cool thing that I do like about Amazon is, even if a person goes to that page, buys the $50 product, right? And then you get that commission. Now, if that person does happen to stay on that website that day, I know it's at least a day or two, and any other thing they get from Amazon, you're going to get commissions on. Now, I will say that. So if you hypothetically, you promote a cheap ass product, right? You get like $1 commission. And for some reason, they're like, yo, I want a new computer, right? And they just happen to buy like a $2,000 computer, right? Then yeah, that $1 commission just turned into like, a $90 commission. But I wouldn't want to, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't want to count on that all the time, especially if you're in a niche where you're promoting, low ticket cost things, right? So ultimately, for the majority of people to try to make a big income, I would say Amazon, being an Amazon affiliate, is not really worth it unless you're going to be promoting nothing but high ticket items. All right, that's my take on it. But if you want to know a easier way to start earning really nice commissions over and over again, $50, $150, and $300 commissions, you want to learn how to do it? Now watch this video right here.